Hey guys, here's a lineup that works with a lot of agents that you can use to slow retakes on Ascent.
Careful.
First, you're going to stand in this corner.
Here.
Then aim your crosshair where the dark and light brown box meet. And left click shoot. This will get everyone standing here in heaven.
We're done here.
The other ways you can use it are, you can use Viper's Orb to smoke heaven
Poison
quickly.
orb emitting.
Use Brimstone to molly heaven. Use Cypher's Cage to smoke heaven.
Cage triggered.
You can use Gekko's molly to stop defenders. Deadlock's Gravnet can be used to slow down defenders, but not the barrier. If you wanted, you could use Harbor's Cove. Kayo's nade works too, but it may hurt you as well. Killjoy works perfectly for this too.
Bomb grenade out.
A Phoenix molly will also work. And Sage slows work very well too.